students, today we celebrated the ATL Community Day at Amity International School, Sector 46, Gurugram.
We had over 50 students from Government Model Sanskriti Senior Secondary School, Sector 43, and from our own Amitasha. It was an interactive session where we communicated with different students, young minds, and very enthusiastic participants. We had quiz sessions, and also we had hands-on activity sessions where they made different projects, and we also demonstrated some projects in which they interacted beautifully.
The students of our own school engaged with different kinds of activities and help all the students in performing different kinds of activities that they would like to perform. And before that, we also gave them a problem statement that they used to find after all the solutions that they did in their activities.